Hi and welcome back to my channel. It's Bonnie. For those of you new here, welcome. Well, today we are on the Royal Princess Cruise Lines and we are headed to Hawaii from San Francisco. What is an obstructed balcony like on the Royal Princess? We will be getting ready for that ultimate cruise experience, and I wanted to show you the comfortable accommodations to the amazing amenities. You'll have everything you need to have a luxurious and enjoyable voyage. So we are going to take a peek at my obstructed balcony room, and you'll see why it's the perfect place to stay at a budget-friendly price. It's time to set sail, so let's get started. There are helpful cruise tips and inspiration for your future cruise travels. Checking out the room. Go over here. This opens the door. There's no sea passes on this ship, so we just use this. It's open. Let's check it out. Oh wow, really pretty room. I like the space. There's like a lot of nice walk area space. It's really nice. Wow. It's very well lit. A lot more space than my other room that I had on Grand Princess. So Royal Princess so far is a really likable ship. I like the colors and the lights. It's very, very modern looking and just classy. The bed itself is very comfortable. Very excited about this room. It is an ocean view room with an obstructed balcony, but because this particular ship didn't have ocean view obstructed because we had a ship change. So this is what you would get with an obstructed balcony. Like I say, I didn't book an obstructed balcony, I booked an obstructed ocean view, but I'm really excited about this room. It's really, really nice. This is Royal Princess. It holds 4,000 people and it's 100% full. But anyway, my room was supposed to be ocean view, but I'm really excited because it's obstructed, but it's not too bad. The Bay Bridge across the way. So exciting to be leaving from the West Coast, not too far from where I live. Features that Princess has that I really enjoy is the closet space. It's separate and it doesn't have a door, so you're able to put a lot of things in and it's not in the way of anything. They have at least 30 hangers in the closet, lots of room for your luggage. There's also storage under the bed. This little area is really nice, and also these lights that are up above go on automatically when you are walking by. You have your safe and a few different drawers here. So that's nice for nighttime. There's a nice hall mirror here, full length. These are the light switches, and this actually stays in there so the lights go on. Otherwise you'd have to put your seat pass in there, but we don't have seat passes on this ship. There's a lot of space in the room. It has its own separate desk, has some my shore excursion things on it, and then it has a health advisory just about follow good hygiene, and then the medallion information for the people that don't understand. And inside we have this thing called the Pitter Patter, I think. It tells us what is going on here. It says for the medallion app, you have to learn how to put your phone in airplane mode, turn on the Wi-Fi, and you won't be charged. It's just the way they have to operate. And this is our itinerary. We have 3 formal nights on, and the events are listed as such. They have a lot of live music. Sail Away kickoff, Sail Away celebration is today at 3:30, which is soon. Sail Away party goes till 4:45. They have spa treatments. I don't know if I'll get over there this time because again, I've checked in late. This is my second time this has happened to me. I need to learn to get here earlier. They have a movie, The Greatest Showman, Under the Stars. Deck 16 and 17. So those are the kinds of things that will be happening. Live music, some Effie jewelry things, cocktails, fitness stuff. On the back we have Showtime is a comedian, and there's ballroom, piano and vocal entertainment, karaoke. So those are the type, and lottery and a lotto draw. And then the casino's open. So all the shops are open, the casino's open. Kona trip, Kona coffee in the Cloud Forest. So that's what I'm doing so far. I haven't booked anything else because in Honolulu we'll be using our car. So when you come into your room, you can watch the safety briefing on the TV, or you can use it on your phone if you downloaded the Medallion app. In the drawers, you'll find just regular drawers, and up in this one is a hairdryer. Across the way is a refrigerator that is working, I believe. Yep. And there is some extra shelf space here. And they will bring you ice if you request it. And there's some glasses here. Another mirror. And of course the TV, like I said, that's kind of the artwork and the layout of the room. So I like it. It's really nice. Here's another unique feature of this room. The light turns on when you move your foot. So it gives you kind of a night light effect, just like the lights go on to the bathroom. So that's a nice feature for a night light in your room. Another feature of this room is it has a light that's here, you know, the on-off switch. And then it's got the lights that will light overhead here on the bed. And then it has this light for over here. So it has a lot of switches, but I've noticed there are no outlets. So keep that in mind. There are no outlets for your phone over here or any kind of outlet at all. But right next door here is the other outlet. So there's the European outlet, and then there's the regular outlet that you know, the US outlet. And then here they do have one plug, but it's for the phone itself. And then I bring something like this with me because it just works for my situation. I have my computer and things I need to edit and stuff like that. So I charge things, my Fitbit and whatever. So one of these is helpful because when you have limited, you only have this one plug and then this other plug. So that's it. And there's no USB plugs in the room. So just keep that in mind. But it's a nice nightstand with two drawers that open up. And so that is helpful to have. There's also a overhead light. It does give you more light, but it's not really like a vanity mirror. It's kind of yellow lighting. There is adequate storage under the bed to store your luggage if you need to, but again, the luggage in the closet is very large as well. The bathroom has two really nice hooks, a nice sink, and this is different for me. Lotus Spa lotion, eucalyptus and sea salt, and some hand soap. So that's very nice. Shower has this type of shower head. These are the valves to control the hot and cold water and the flow of the water. Clothesline in the shower. These are the type of products that they're offering here. The Lotus Spa. Let's have a safety rail and a little bit of a step here. The shower is an actual curtain. It is not a door. Watch your step when you walk out. So once you check into the actual ship, it's quite a production because there's a lot of lines for the elevator. Everybody's in a hurry to get moving. There's a buffet on deck 16. And then in the room itself, there's the muster station drill. And then there is the just getting to know your cabin attendant if they're here. Then you get to talk to them if you need anything requested special or whatnot. But we will be sailing away in about an hour. So we're going to go ahead upstairs to grab something to eat. and just see what else we can find here. And also we should be checking in with our dining room, and we might be checking in at the spa raffle as well. So that about wraps up the room tour. It's been my pleasure showing you around. Make sure you check out my playlist above for all the other videos on this beautiful ship, the Royal Princess. And next week's video will be the top spots on board Royal Princess, the 12 top spots. If you have found value in this video, if it has been entertaining or you've learned something, please hit that thumbs up button. That helps out my channel, and consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.